Do you think this is a flower ornament? Open this button, turn out the mesh inside, and it becomes a cup sleeve. You can put a cup or anything hard to hold in your hands. Follow the tutorial to crochet it. Use 4-ply cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. First, we crochet the flower part. Adjustable magic ring. Yarn over and slip stitch. We replace the single crochets in the first 3 rounds with half double crochets. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and draw through 3 loops on the hook. Half double crochet method. Round 1, work 10 half double crochets. Complete. Remove the loop, tighten the yarn tail, locate the stitch of the first half double crochet. Yarn over and join with a slip stitch. Chain 2. Work 10 groups of half double crochet increases. That is, work 2 half double crochets in each stitch. The first group in the second stitch, the second group. Round 2 completed. Switch colors. Finish the last stitch without slip stitch. Enlarge the loop. Insert through the 3 loops on the side of the half double crochet. Take out the yarn to change. Yarn over directly, and join with the first half double crochet as usual. Hide the yarn tail at the back. Then pull the white yarn loop. Okay, color change completed. Start working on the 3rd round. Chain 2. In the first stitch, work 1 half double crochet. In the second stitch, work a half double crochet increase. Work this pattern, repeat 10 times. Next, chain 1 for the 4th round, and start with the first petal. Work a single crochet, followed by a half double crochet, then a double crochet increase. Work 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Okay, work another double crochet increase. Then work a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet. This uses 6 stitches to complete 1 pattern. Repeat, work 4 more repeats. Next, chain 1 for the 5th round. Work a single crochet, then a half double crochet, followed by a double crochet. Double crochet increase. Okay, continue with double crochets. Double crochet increase. Then a half double crochet, followed by a single crochet. That completes 1 pattern. Repeat 5 more times and then fasten off. First petal done. Complete the first 3 petals for the second motif. For the 4th petal, I've reached this double crochet position. Next, chain 40 for the hanging loop section. After completing, pick up both strands and join with a slip stitch. Next, continue crocheting the 4th petal. For the remaining pattern, 1 double crochet increase, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. The 4th pattern is completed. Okay, next crochet the 5th petal. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet increase, double crochet. Next, chain 10. Similarly, pick up both strands and join with a slip stitch. Continue completing the next pattern. Double crochet increase, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Next, we work on the right side, facing the right side to crochet. Find the single crochet at this petal. Correspond to the single crochet at this petal. We bring the yarn over to crochet. chain 1. Then go back in and work a single crochet. Continue one stitch to another. Work single crochets. A total of 38 single crochets need to be crocheted. 38 single crochets completed. Next, we begin working on the single piece. Also, one stitch corresponds to one single crochet. These 12 single crochets completed. Find the first slip stitch. Then cut the yarn to switch colors, inserting into the stitches between the two flowers. Alright, bring the yarn over, chain 1, and work a single crochet. After completing, chain 12, skip 4 stitches. Insert into the next stitch and work a single crochet. Continue chaining 12. Skip 4 stitches. Skip the next stitch. Following this pattern, we work 9 groups, 9 motifs completed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10th motif has a slight variation, first chain 5. Next, wrap the yarn around the hook 4 times. Find the stitch of the first single crochet and insert into it. Then bring the yarn over, pulling off 2 loops at a time. Alright, this first round is now completed. Next, we continue repeating the crocheting. Chain 1, insert into this hole and work a single crochet. Chain 12. Work a single crochet in the next hole. Chain 12 stitches. Repeat this pattern all the way around. Note that for the last round, you'll need 5 chain stitches followed by treble crochets to reach the desired height. I've already reached the right height, now fold it in half, this is our first corner. Pull it gently toward the opposite side. These 2 holes should align perfectly. Place a stitch marker here, this motif is slightly different. Chain 1 and work a single crochet. Crochet 12 single crochets. Insert the hook into the next hole, and work 3 single crochets. Chain 2, then insert the hook into the next hole, work 3 single crochets, chain 2. Complete 4 pattern repeats. Return to the hole on this side. Work single crochets normally, chain 12. Alright, next these 4. All work 3 single crochets, chain 2. Four pattern repeats completed, find the first single crochet. Join with a slip stitch and cut the yarn. We've completed the main part. Next, we'll work the ties on both ends. For the tie length, if you prefer carrying by hand, make them slightly shorter. If you want to wear it crossbody, make them longer. Chain 1. Bring the yarn through, chain 2. Yarn over and pull through. We need to hide this yarn tail. Alright, bring the yarn through. This is a half double crochet. Let's work another half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then pull through the last 2 loops. Alright, continue repeating this pattern. Yarn over and go back to this spot. Work 2 half double crochets. Yarn over and pull through all loops. Pull through the back loops, this is the second pattern. Keep crocheting until it fits properly, then join with a slip stitch to the stitch on this side. So this cup sleeve is done, fold it up like this. Find this hole, and turn it over. Then fasten the button on this side. This can be used as a hanging ornament, or for a water cup. We're all done.